In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first dollar online with affiliate marketing, even if you have no subscribers and you can't put the link in your bio. So make sure you watch this entire video to show you what I did to earn my first dollar with TikTok. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free Unemployed Handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Now, this video is actually brought to you by a comment that a commenter made, or a viewer and a subscriber made, on one of my earlier videos. He said he's really trying to make just his first dollar online. And so this is a part of an entire series where I show you different ways to make your first dollar online. And today we're going to take a look at TikTok. Now, as you know, TikTok is a short format content, video content place where people are creating all sorts of stuff 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There are billions of users, billions of visitors, and people are spending about 5 minutes per visit on the platform. So that is an opportunity to make money. If we take a look at my profile here, I have 47,000 followers, 382,000 likes. Now, what's very important to realize is when I first got started with TikTok, there wasn't this opportunity to put your link in bio. That's important because if you have less than 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers, you cannot put your link in bio. But what you can do, and I'll show you this in a minute, is you can still earn leads and sales without having the link in bio. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, what we need to do, obviously, is we need to come up with a niche. We need to come up with a topic for our TikTok account or our TikTok profile. What I recommend that you do is do one niche per profile. If you are going to make money with Bluehost, have one account for Bluehost. Don't mix in different types of content, because that's going to confuse the audience and it can actually lead to some frustration. And you don't want that. So what I recommend that you do, step number one, is pick a niche and have one profile per niche. You can have multiple profiles with TikTok, which is awesome, but each profile should have one main goal of helping people. So now that you have that all the way, you need to think of different content. Now, there's a bunch of different ways to get content ideas. One of the ways that I got content ideas when I first started is I headed on over to YouTube. We'll go to youtube.com, and I actually made a list of a bunch of people in my niche. And the reason why I did that is I would actually get ideas and inspiration. So for example, if we want to teach people how to make money online, we'll say how to make money online, like this, hit enter, and we will simply, what I did is I copied all of the channel names and I put them into a Google Doc. And that's important so that you can access this doc from anywhere around the world with different devices. And so what you want to do, and this is just to get started, get some inspiration if you feel stuck, you have nowhere to go. This is just one way. I'm going to show you a few other ways as well. So what I would do here is I would open up, let's say Mike, I think his last name is Vasteel. We open it up. We're going to go over to his videos once that loads, and I'll show you the process. So I wouldn't follow, but I would open up all of these different channels, put them into a document. And then I would just simply go through his videos and find videos that I want to create. And this is used for inspiration. You're not copying people. You're not stealing other people's content. Okay, so top 3 Amazon work from home jobs for beginners. This is an idea that we could create a TikTok video. Now, the cool thing with TikTok is you don't have to show your face. A lot of these videos in the beginning that I'd created, I didn't actually show my face. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go out and do a little bit of research. Since we see here, top 3 Amazon work from home jobs for beginners, you are going to figure out 3 work from home jobs for beginners. You're going to make a list of maybe 10 or 15 different content ideas. You can put that in the same Google Doc, or you can put that in a Google Sheet. And you're simply just going to create that content based on your research. So if you find that the top 3 Amazon work from home jobs is like Amazon Flex, Amazon FBA, and Amazon affiliate marketing, you are going to simply create a video, and you're going to create a video using a hook, story, and offer sequence. The hook is going to be something like, hey, did you know that you can make $100 a day with Amazon without working from home? And then you're simply going to pay off that hook with the 3 jobs. So you could say Amazon Flex, basically you'll just drive around dropping off packages, Amazon FBA, and then Amazon affiliate marketing. And then you want an offer. An offer is also called a call to action. And that call to action is simply, hey, click the first link in my bio or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn how to make a full-time income. You're simply going to do that with your TikTok videos. Now, if I scroll down and I show you, a lot of my videos actually don't show my face in the very beginning. You can see here, a lot of these videos, I'm just simply pointing at the screen. Now, let's take a look at best digital product ideas as an example. So if we look at this, this only has 461 views, not a big deal, but you can see here how I format all of my content. I have my hook at the top, my story is the video. I don't think I show my face in this video. And then my offer for this video is to like, comment, and share. Now, what I'll do is I'll actually show you how you can start getting leads without having 1,000 followers in just a moment. We're just going to keep scrolling here. You can see a lot of these. I'm not showing my face, but you're simply going to do this between 3 and 5 times per day. This is just the first way that you can go about finding ideas. Another thing that you can do is go over to a website called Answer the Public or Answer Socrates. Either one will work. You could say, you can type something like, we can do how to make money online. Hit enter, and while that's working, we're going to jump back over to my TikTok account, and I'm just going to keep scrolling. Okay, and I've found it. So in a minute, I'll talk to you about the offer, but this is another way that you can find content ideas. What we're doing here is we're simply taking questions that show up and we're turning them into actual pieces of content where we provide the answers. And we're going to follow the exact same process: hook, story, and offer. We're going to say, hey, did you know that you could make $500 per day as a transcriptionist? Now, you want to make sure that you're not lying or leading people on, but you can see that this is an opportunity as well. Now, this is taking a little bit longer. How to make money online. There we go. So if we look at the data here, we can say 5 ways to make money online for beginners. 3 ways to make money online without paying anything. How to make money online fast. 5 websites to make money online fast. These are all different things that people are asking. And we can scroll down here. If we look, how to make money online for teens. You could start off with a look. You could start off with a hook and say, hey, are you under 21 and you want to learn 3 quick ways to make money online? Watch this. And then you could say number 1, cutting grass. Number 2, playing video games. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description to get started with affiliate marketing. Or go here, go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get started with affiliate marketing or to learn more about affiliate marketing. But you can see here that there are, I would say if we did the math here, 80, 56, we're looking at probably close to 300 ideas where we could create content. Another way that you can find content ideas is you can find websites that are within your niche. So we can go to like moneypantry.com if you're in the make money online space, and we can simply just go over to earn money. And what we're going to do is we are simply just going to scroll through. Do teachers get paid in the summertime? Where can I buy IKEA gift card? Look for things that are going to be relevant to your niche and create content. Look at this, 150 legit ways to make $50 a day fast. Now, this is over, I would say this is probably close to 200 ideas in and of itself. So what they're doing here is we could say, okay, here are 5 ways to make $50 per day fast. Go through the 5 days, and then we could actually break this out into individual days. Now, again, you're using this as inspiration. You're not just directly stealing the content. As you can see here, they have a bunch of different opportunities, and you're simply just going to use user testing, for example. You could say, do you need to make $50 today? Try this. And then you're going to go through your spiel about user testing, and you're going to walk them through the process of making $50. But then you could say something at the very end, your call to action or your offer is going to be, hey, look, if you want to earn a full-time income online from home, go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Actually, I was doing go to alstongodbolt.com/TikTok, and that actually works out pretty well. But you can see this is how you get almost an infinite number of ideas. Another place that you can go is actually with Quora. So we go to Quora.com, and once again, we're going to type in make money online, and we're going to look at those questions, and we're simply going to answer the questions. So if we come here, we can say something like make money online like this, and we are going to look for questions in make money online. Now, this is going to help you to come up with an unlimited number of ideas. And what you're going to do is you're simply just going to answer these questions. What's the easiest way to make money online? You're going to turn that into a statement. Okay, here's the easiest way you can make money online. That's your hook. The story is going to be however you feel the easiest way to make money online is. And then your offer is going to invite them to go to your website, alstongodbolt.com/TikTok, to learn more about the easiest way to make money online. But you can see here, there are almost an infinite number of questions. And these are just a few different ways that you can find ideas, so you should never run out of ideas. Just put your niche in here, if it's in woodworking or pets or dog training, whatever it may be, and you can find ideas. So now that we have the hook, we have the story, which is our actual video. Now let's talk about the offer. Now, as I mentioned, one of the drawbacks to TikTok is you have to have 1,000 followers before you can tell people to go to the link in bio. What I was doing at very early on is I had purchased a domain name, obviously alstongodbolt.com, but as you can see, I was putting my URL down here at the bottom, alstongodbolt.com/TikTok. And the reason why I was doing it this way, I have the hook at the top, so it's the first thing they see when they get to my video, and then the last thing they see is alstongodbolt.com/TikTok. People, if you have a compelling enough hook, story, and offer, people will leave the app and they will go to this website. This is how I earned commissions with TikTok before. So a year and a half before you could even add a link in bio. So again, you're going to pick a niche, one niche per channel or per YouTube account. Find ideas from YouTube channels, find ideas from answerthepublic.com, find ideas from different blogs, and even use Quora. You are going to come up with a compelling hook, story, and offer. Put the hook at the top of your videos. The middle section of your video is going to be your content, which is your story, and then the offer is going to be the video down here. Now that you know how to make your first dollar with TikTok, click the first link in the description for my free Unemployed Handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.